She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down all like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. Yeah.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Kiersten and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm coming at you guys with another back to school video. So right now it is about to storm and I am bored, so I decided to shoot another video for you guys. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all some must-have essentials for your DIY emergency kit. Let's get started. Here is my handy dandy emergency kit and I got it from Ulta, but you can pretty much use any little bag that you have. This is a makeup bag, but I'm using it as my emergency kit. The first thing that I have in my emergency kit is some lip gloss, and this is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And I have this in here because, you know, during the winter time your lips get chapped. You don't want to have to go around searching for chapstick or lip gloss. You have your own. Having your own lip gloss is good too because it's not really that healthy to share with other people. I know even if they just like squeeze it out and like you wipe away your finger, I just still rather have my own lip gloss to be on the safe side. The next thing that I have in my emergency kit is super important for the winter time, and it's just some hand lotion because you gotta have your own lotion, girl. You don't want to be going around asking people, hey, do you got lotion? Hey, you got lotion? Hey, you got lotion? That gets annoying. Like, nobody's gonna want to give you lotion every day, and people gonna start to avoid you. Like, no. They're gonna be calling you the ashy girl. You don't want to be known as the ashy girl, so just have your own lotion. The next thing that I have in my emergency kit is gum. Gum keeps your breath smelling good. It helps you stay focused. Keeps your breath smelling good. Am I the only one that holds my breath when I'm talking to people? What? I don't know, it's just weird. Like, I think it's a safety mechanism that my body has developed, because if I talk to somebody with stink breath, I just get a bad headache. So I just hold my breath whenever I approach somebody. Even if your breath don't stink, I just do it. Am I the only one? Like, I don't know. But yeah, keep some gum in your emergency kit so you won't be known as the person with funky breath and people are going to avoid you once again, because nobody wants to talk to somebody with stinky breath. Okay. Another thing that I have in my emergency kit are earrings. If you're an earring girl like me, you're gonna want to keep extra pair of earrings in your emergency kit, because I can't tell you how many times I have walked out the house because I was rushing to get to school on time and I forgot my earrings. And I feel like when I don't wear earrings, I just look different. I don't know. I always have to have earrings in my ear. So yeah, keep your pair of earrings in your emergency kit. Another thing that I have in my emergency kit are hair ties. Whether it be the small ones or big ones. Whether it be the small ones or big ones, just keep some in your emergency kit, because you might get hot one day and you want to put your hair up and you don't want to go around asking everybody if they have a hair tie, because most likely they're going to be like no, and you're going to just be frustrated and even more hot. So just keep some in your emergency kit. I also keep cash in my emergency kit because I might get hungry throughout the day and I can just go to the vending machine and go buy like some chips or a drink or something. So just keep a few dollar bills in your emergency kit just in case you get hungry throughout the day. Alright, so if you like me and you just have to listen to music while you're walking through the hallways, you're going to want to keep an extra pair of headphones in your emergency kit, because I'm always forgetting my headphones at home and I get so annoyed throughout the day because I gotta listen to everybody's conversation. So just keep some headphones in your emergency kit so you can listen to your music and tune everybody out. I also have some extra deodorant in my emergency kit, and this is because, like, if you're rushing, this has happened to me before, if you're rushing and like you get to school and you start to feel funny under your armpits and you like you question yourself, did I put on deodorant today? You know, you don't stink, but like you start to get sticky, and it's like, oh my gosh, like you got sticky armpits, and that's the most disgusting feeling ever. So just keep some deodorant in your emergency kit so you won't ever have to have sticky armpits throughout the whole day of school. Another thing I have are essentials for girls. You're gonna want to have extra pads, extra tampons, whatever you use in your emergency kit, because you do not want to run out of these things. It's super important, because if you have an irregular period like me, you don't know when it's gonna come on. So you're gonna want to keep some of these in your emergency kit so you can be prepared. Yeah. You also want to keep some extra underwear. It doesn't have to be fancy underwear, but just some underwear just in case your period comes on and you're in shock and you mess up your underwear. You have some as a backup. So yeah, keep those in your emergency kit, girl. Another thing that's good to keep in your emergency kit are some bobby pins, and like a brush or whatever, or a comb, or whatever you do your hair with, just in case like it starts to get frizzy or messy. You can pin it up, or you can just brush it or comb it out. So yeah, keep some of these in your emergency kit. You also want to keep some edge control in your emergency kit, just so like you can touch up your edges throughout the day, because girl, let me tell you, my edges will not stay down for nothing. So I always have to like maintain them throughout the day. I wouldn't recommend something this size, but like a smaller tub of edge control will be good. So yeah, just keep some of that in your emergency kit if your edges will stay down for nothing. Last but not least, I have some touch-up makeup. So this is the Maybelline New York powder, and it is in the color medium, and then just a simple powder brush and some mascara. So you just want to keep these things in your emergency kit so you can touch up your T-zone throughout the day. And if you're like me and when you start to laugh you cry, your mascara will start to run. So just keep some in your emergency kit so you can touch it up throughout the day. So those were all of the things that I keep in my emergency kit. You might have other things that you keep in yours, but this video was just to give you an idea of what you could have in your emergency kit. But you can pretty much just build it to your liking and to your needs. So guys, that was the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoyed it. Be sure to thumbs up this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.